birthday cake.
What are you making it out of? They don't use a mix. They make it from scratch, right? Meg, what ingredients are in there? What'd you put in there?
Eggs.
Eggs and what else? And what else? Eggs and sugar and... Huh? You're hiding. Can I see you do the mixer yourself?
Yeah. No.
You want to do it? Or...
This is a vanilla cake for Uncle Alan.
You gonna put it in the oven now?
Okay. Uncle Alan, I'm going to put happy birthday to you on the piano.
Okay, Catalina.
Your cake, Uncle Alan.
What kind of icing is that?
Buttercream.
And it's homemade, right?
Yeah.
What's in buttercream icing? Does anybody know?
Butter.
And lots of sugar.
And some eggs. No eggs. There's eggs in the cake, though. Like, stop digging in the cake.
Now, there's a secret ingredient to this cake.
No, Nate.
It's called
Nate.
lots of licking.
Nate, do it.
Coughing on the cake. And
You better go down.
you frosting it, Nate? Nate's frosting. Are you frosting Uncle Alan's cake for him? Say frosting.
Don't put that back in.
He's frosting. Good job. It's a turntable so you can turn it as you go, you know.
No.
Okay, it's okay. He doesn't know any better.
Don't put it back on.
Did you make that clown?
Yeah.
Wow.
He made it all by himself.
So it's gonna say happy birthday. And who's this for? Uncle?
Alan. Uncle Alan. Is this?
Okay, everybody say happy birthday, Uncle Alan.
Happy birthday, Uncle Alan.
As soon as Abe lights the candle. Lights the... Come on, try harder. All right, he's a beginner with this. Yeah, I see that's a broken match. Oh, there we go. Okay. Only two. Come on.
Ah!
One, two.
And roll the match out.
Okay.
You rolled it